my room has the food and the other stuff. So basically, we'll be sleeping in my room. So yeah, so basically, I'm gonna vlog again maybe later at the daytime or now. So maybe at 11 o'clock I'm gonna be starting to vlog, or maybe I'll vlog tomorrow. So bye guys. Have a nice night or day.